What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Moshi Vesta Case for the all-new iPhone 10. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The Vesta Case was one of my favorite models from Moshi, and this year they kind of changed it up a little bit for the iPhone 10. So diving into this, it comes in your traditional Moshi packaging. Sliding this out, we have the case here, and that is pretty much it. Taking a closer look at the Vesta case, one noticeable difference between last year's model and this year's model is that for the iPhone 10, we now have this fabric type material on the back here versus the vegan leather on the previous edition. I think it's a pretty nice change, still has a nice professional look to it, and this fabric here kind of reminds me of the same fabric that they use for suits. Now, because it's fabric, Moshi does state that they applied a coating on the back of this to ensure that it doesn't absorb water and make it easier to clean. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of bezel protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. And one thing I do want to mention is that this case appears to be compatible with my Brando edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector, so that's pretty nice. On the sides, you have covers for your power button, as well as your volume rockers. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, and a very small cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for your lightning ports, stereo speakers, and mic. And finally, on the back side here, you have this fabric material that covers the entire back, a cutout for the Apple logo, as well as a cutout for the camera, flash, and secondary microphone, and the Moshi logo branding that is kind of like on a metal decal that it stretches across the back here, which I think looks pretty nice. Overall, it's a pretty nice professional looking case. It combines 4 different materials. You have metal, fabric, as well as TPU and plastic. All this fused into a nicely crafted case. As with many cases I review, I do like how this case isn't too bulky even though it combines 4 different materials. And as silly as this sounds, this has one of the best button covers I've seen on a case. They're very easy to press, they feel like an actual button, and of course you get a nice tactile feedback when you press on it. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could say really is the Apple logo here is obviously exposed, so I do recommend some sort of skin or something on the back here to prevent any damage to the Apple logo in case you ever drop this case on gravel or something. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a professional, luxury, high quality looking case for your iPhone 10, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi Vesta case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.